The 1959 Cityrama bus, one of the most visually striking and unique buses in automotive history, is officially making a comeback. This extraordinary vehicle, known for its futuristic design, panoramic glass structure, and 1.5 deck configuration, has been a symbol of innovation ever since it first hit the streets of Paris in the late 1950s. But, due to several technical and overheating issues, only 3 of these buses were ever made, and the story of their journey is one of both triumph and tragedy. Originally built to help Groupe Cityrama stand out among the crowded sightseeing tour bus market in Paris, this one-of-a-kind vehicle was designed by Albert Lemaitre, a visionary designer who wanted to push the boundaries of what a tour bus could be. The Cityrama bus was no ordinary vehicle, it was a vehicle that seemed to come straight from the future. Built on the chassis of a Citroen C55 truck, this bus featured a welded framework and was covered in molded plexiglass, allowing passengers to enjoy panoramic views of Paris as they toured the city. The design didn't stop there. The bus featured a bold, aerodynamic shape with a pointed fin over the driver's cab, adding to its futuristic look. The rear of the bus featured a bright red detail that swooped upwards, creating a streamlined effect that was as much art as it was transportation. But the most unique feature was its glazing. Yes, the entire bus was wrapped in glass, with a roof made up of panels that slid open to allow ventilation and more open views. Inside, the bus was divided into a main floor for 30 passengers and a half-deck above it for an additional 20 people. Despite its avant-garde look, the Cityrama bus faced significant operational issues. The combination of the engine overheating and the bus's lack of air conditioning made it impractical for the hot weather in Paris. One of the buses even caught fire due to overheating, which led Cityrama to abandon the project. By the end of the 1960s, the once celebrated bus was largely forgotten except for 2 surviving units. Fast forward to 2022 when a private collector rediscovered one of the surviving Cityrama buses, which had been hidden away for decades. The discovery set the stage for an incredible restoration project. The bus was acquired by the Association Normande d'Anciens Utilitaires and entrusted to Normandy Classics, a renowned classic car restoration shop. The goal? To restore the Cityrama bus to its former glory. Phase 1 of the restoration has already been completed. This stage involved the restoration of the engine and gearbox, as well as repainting and sanding the chassis. Although this phase was challenging, it involved parts that could be sourced from other Citroen C55 trucks. However, the toughest part of the restoration is yet to come: rebuilding the framework and reattaching the glazing. The restoration team is aiming to not only stick to the original design but also make the bus more durable and climate-controlled to ensure it is more functional than ever. This restoration process is expected to take at least 4 more years, with the team still relying on donations from the classic car community to help fund the ambitious project. The final product will be a beautiful blend of vintage style and modern engineering, a true testament to the enduring appeal of the Cityrama bus. Once completed, the restored Cityrama bus will not only be a symbol of the past but a functional and futuristic piece of automotive history. In the meantime, fans of this iconic bus are eagerly awaiting the day when it hits the road once again. The journey of restoring the Cityrama bus is a story of passion, dedication, and the love of automotive design, and we can't wait to see this incredible machine finally restored to its original, retrofuturistic glory.